gonna take this.
Sam, stop! Where are you going with my favorite bag?
I'm not gonna tell ya! Susan, don't panic. Yeah, you know, I'm in the middle of an experiment. So, please, don't distract me. Whoa!
Are you cloning sweets again?
No, I want to move into the cartoon world. But I need a volunteer for an experiment, like this bag.
Sammy, come on!
But I need this!
No way! I won't let you ruin my bag.
But the cartoon world!
I'll show you the easier way to send bags there. Let's go! Hi guys, today we need to distract Sammy from taking my stuff.
Is it gonna be some kind of scientific experiment?
Yep, and I even changed for it.
You look the part, Sue. If you agree, guys, give Sue a thumbs up.
This is the main material for our experiment object, foam paper. Let's transfer this drawing to it. And all the preparations are done, so we're ready to get started.
Sue, you're my colleague and I respect your choice, but you're not gonna leave our craft white, right? It looks plain!
Sammy, you're in a hurry as always. We need to do everything slowly and accurately. This is going to be the inner part of our bag, so we need to cover it with nice and soft material.
Sue, I've got something for you. Look, this is a nice piece of red paper.
Oh, Sammy, you always have something up your sleeve. Guys, you don't have to buy new fabric for this craft. You can just reuse your old t-shirt.
A great crafter never throws things away mindlessly.
And this glue and water mix will help us attach the fabric to the foam paper. By the way, we've already created a few bags in our videos. If you haven't watched them yet, then what are you waiting for? Guys, I bet you won't regret it.
Sue, I was thinking about decorations since we're experimenting here.
Oh, that's a good idea, Sammy. But the feathers are not really my style.
But what is your style? An old t-shirt, huh? Just joking.
All right, now we can move on to the outer part of our cartoon bag. Let's attach our reused t-shirt to the foam paper, like this.
Now it needs some time to set, from 24 to 48 hours.
Since we're making this bag, we're gonna need 2 pieces like this.
So guys, see you in 2 days.
Sammy, what are you talking about? Guys, don't let him fool around with you. In reality, it does take a little long. But hail the great Tibby Dabba, we're in the cartoon world today, so...
Thanks to video editing, we will be back very soon. Sue, wake up! The time is up! Now we can continue our trip to the cartoon world.
Oh, I guess Sammy's really enjoying making those crafts.
Of course! Who doesn't like cartoons?
Let's check it out. Based on my expertise, I'd say... it's absolutely dry. Let's move on to the next stage.
Hey, Sue! It's not very convenient to store all the stuff in one back pocket, so...
We can make an additional one. You're right. But first, we gotta make a cut. Don't rush here, guys.
Always be very careful working with sharp objects, people.
And the hot glue will hold the zipper better than anything else.
I always trust Sue with this kind of work. She's great at it.
Oh, what high honor. Here we go. So what do you say, Sammy?
Sue, don't take it personally, but it seems you forgot something.
You are very attentive today, Sammy. Now we need to make space for a pocket. It's very easy.
Sue! You won't believe it, but the pocket is ready. Here.
Thanks, Sam. You did great. Check this out, guys.
I am such an experienced crafter that I could make this bag with my eyes closed. Whoopsie. Ouch! Holy cannoli.
Oh, don't play around. We've still got a lot of work to do. Okay, guys, it's a crucial moment. Let's check out the zipper. It's working.
Guys, if you're a regular on our channel, you know what we gotta do next.
We're assembling the bag.
Candies, check. Chocolate, check. Gummy bears, check. Cookies, check. I guess I didn't miss anything.
Sammy, I didn't know that we decided to make a second kitchen here.
I'm just gathering all necessary stuff for our 2D journey. They may not have any tasty stuff in the cartoon world.
You gotta be kidding me. Then how about the desert dogs from The Simpsons, Slurm from Futurama, bacon pancakes from Adventure Time, chimichurri from My Little Pony?
Okay, you convinced me. I'll limit my appetites. I guess I need to clean up this mess. All done.
I'm happy every time I manage to persuade you.
Don't you think that this bag still looks kinda too plain?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
It's time for decorations!
Guys, today we're working in quite an unusual technique. But before we start, we need to prepare all of the pieces.
What are you doing, Sue? I don't get it.
It will be a flap. You know, foam paper is such a great material. You can just press something against it, and you're gonna be able to see the outline.
Holy cannoli, fast and easy! I want to try that too!
This technique reminds me of an application. Up, voila!
I should say it's more like a puzzle. There you go!
It's like we are going to create a picture from many pieces, putting them one on top of the other, like layers.
Sue, I'm done with the pieces, so I'll go and work out a bit for the Space Jam.
Space Jam? Wait a second, isn't that a movie about Michael Jordan in the cartoon world?
Yeah, that's right! Where's my ball? I've decided to prepare myself. Who knows what could happen there?
Would you like me to be your opponent? Ha!
Sue, take it easy. We're not in the real game.
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just got carried away. In the meantime, we're almost done. All we have to do is to glue the flap.
Maybe we should give it an original and festive look.
I don't want to upset you, Sammy, but glitter doesn't work well for this craft. We need something simple but cool here.
I know! Check this out, Sue. I can make an application too. Sue, I'm a genius! I've made a perfect decorative clasp. And here is the second one.
Good macaroons! It fits the style so well.
This already looks cool, but don't you think that it's still not sturdy enough?
Geniuses think simply. We're simply gonna use this.
Velcro! Why didn't I think of that?
Don't worry, Sammy. That's why we're working as a team. Up. This just works like a charm.
Sue, somebody dropped this off on our porch. Shiver me cheddars, it could be anything.
Wow, it's a surprise. Well, why don't we see what's inside?
I wonder if she'll guess that this was a gift from one very slick slime. I'm not sure, but if I'm not crazy, the delivery guy was 2D.
Oh, really? Then I want to see it even more. This is awesome! See, I knew that 2D guys are great mischiefs, just like you.
What? I don't get your insinuations. Just attach that thing to the bag.
Sammy, hang on a little bit longer. A good bag should have a strong handle, right? Here we go.
Hey, do you mind closing your eyes for a second?
Are you sure it's a good idea? Okay.
Ta-da! What do you say now, Sue?
Oh, my feta, Sammy. This decor is the only thing our cool bag was missing. Decorative stitches, who'd have thought?
And now let's check out our cool bag again. Where are you? I'm ready to move into the cartoon world.
Oh, Sammy, I'm so tired. Can't we postpone that journey, please? Don't worry, I'll keep a good eye on this bag.
Okay, I suppose you can take it, but our trip is inevitable. inevitable.
Of course, Sammy. You didn't have to say that. But for now, let's say goodbye to our friends.
If you liked our craft today and you want to see more cool bags on our channel, give us a thumbs up.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.